single engine inboard, single screw, that's what they say. We're gonna slow down, put it in neutral, get up here slightly to the left, and we'll go hard to the left. We're gonna go right there, put it in forward, put my bow over by a dock, neutral, head on a swivel. We're still turned all the way over to the left. A little bit more forward so I can rotate. Neutral. Straighten the wheel, reverse. Now we gotta be aligned.
There's usually a boat right there too.
Is there? Back into neutral. I just gotta move my stern to the port side. There we go. Now reverse. Come on. There we go. There we go. Yeah, get the easy one first.
Port's on.
All right, port's on. Just gonna get the starboard. Boom, boom, boom. Starboard's on. We get some tension on those lines. And reverse.